Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about the pronunciation of vowels. In French, we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. Let's talk about vowel A first. Vowel A has 2 sounds in French. For example, A and A. If a word begins with vowel A, then its pronunciation will be A. For example, the word is A-D-O-R-E. So, A, the vowel is coming at the beginning. So, the pronunciation will be adore. Adore. Because adore is starting with vowel A, so it will be pronounced as adore, not adore. Adore means to adore. Next, when a vowel comes in between a word, then it will be pronounced as A. For example, P-A-G-E. In this word, A is coming in between a word. So the pronunciation will be page. Page. Meaning is page. In page, vowel A is coming in between a word. So it will be pronounced as page. Page. Not page. It's page. If 2A comes in between a word, then the first A is pronounced as A and the second A is pronounced as A. For example, the word is B-A-N-A-N-E. So the first A that I have highlighted has sound A and the second A has the sound A. So the pronunciation will be banan. Banan means banana. Now, I and U both are pronounced as vowel A. So we can see in the examples. First example for vowel I is the vowel I has 2 sounds also like vowel A. It has 2 sounds, E and E. First sound is E and the second sound is E. So, if a word begins with vowel E, then the pronunciation will be image. Image. And the second example is the word is C-I-L, means eyelash. The I is coming in between a word, so the pronunciation will be seal. Seal, not sill. It's seal. And when 2 I's are coming in between a word, then the first I will be pronounced as E and the second I will be E. So the pronunciation will be midi. Midi. As I told you in my previous video that T and D have very soft sound in French language. So T will be pronounced as T and D will be pronounced as D. Midi, not midi, it's midi, means noon. Same rule applies for vowel U. Let's see the examples. Vowel U has 2 sounds. First is U and the second is U. For example, first word is U-N-E. It will be pronounced as yun. Yun, meaning is 1. The second example is F-R-U-I-T. Vowel U is coming in between a word, so the pronunciation will be frui. Frui. And the last example is F-U-T-U-R-E. 2 U's are coming in between this word, so the pronunciation will be future. Future. The first U has very soft sound. The second U has long sound. future. So these were the examples. Let's see the recap. The first word is adore, means to adore, because the A is coming at the beginning of the word, so the pronunciation will be adore. And when A is coming in between a word, so the pronunciation will be page. Page, meaning is page. If two A's are coming in between a word, so first A has the sound A and second has A. Banan. Banan. Same rule for I. I in first word is beginning with the vowel, so the pronunciation will be image. In second word, I is coming in between a word, so the pronunciation will be seal. In third, two I's are coming together, so first sound will be E and second will be E. Midi, midi. And the example for vowel U is in, means one. Fruit, fruit means fruit. Future means future.